everyone, this time we will review about probability. Please subscribe on my channel.
Very important topics in statistics. So we have here probability, since statistics deals with some probability. So probability is a branch of mathematics that deals with calculating the likelihood of a given event's occurrence. So this is a mathematical way of describing a known outcome of an event, which makes use of real numbers from 0 to 1. So we have basic concept of probability. The outcome, it is the result of a single trial or an experiment. Sample space, a set of possible outcome. Event consists of set of outcomes of probability of an event. It can be a simple or a compound. Simple event consists only of one outcome, like rolling a die. Compound event consists of two or more simple event or two or more outcomes, so rolling a die and tossing a coin. So we have three basic interpretation or types of probability. So we have the classical, empirical, and subjective. For classical, this is an objective. That's classical probability, just an objective. For classical, usually the event happens in a long period of time. So standard na siya. For subjective is an estimate that reflects a person's opinion or best guess about whether an outcome will occur or not. Example, the probability that it will rain tomorrow or this afternoon. That's a subjective probability. Empirical probability, relative frequencies of the occurrence of an event. Usually, for empirical, this approach considers a relative frequency of an occurrence like a series of trial is equal. So basic probability rule, probability of an event ranges from 0 to 1, greater or equal to 0, but less than or equal to 1. If an event cannot occur, so it's probability 0, impossible to happen. If an event is certain, then the probability is 1. The sum of the probability of all outcomes in the sample space is always equal to 1. So we have simple events. What is the probability of getting ahead in a single flip of a coin? So we have two possible outcomes, head or a tail, so 1/2. Compound events, 2 dice are rolled. What is the probability that the sum of the dots will be an odd number? 1, 3, and 5. So 3/6, which is 1/2. Actually, exclusive events cannot occur at the same time. So the probability of A or probability of B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. So you are going to add. A pair of dice is rolled. What is the probability that the sum of the numbers rolled is either 7 or 10? So we have the illustration of pair of dice. Sum of 7, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sum of 10, see 6, 6, 5, 5, see 6, 4, oh, see 4, 6. So 3. So 6 outcomes have a sum of 7, 1, 6, 2, 5, 3, 4, 4, 3, 5, 2, 6, 1. So 6/36. 3 outcomes have a sum of 10, 4, 6, 5, 5, 6, 4. Sum of 10 is 3/36. The sum of the numbers cannot be 7 and 10 at the same time. So, mutually exclusive sila. So, you are going to add. Kasi kapareha. P of 7 or P of 10, probability of 10 is equal to probability of 7 plus probability of sum of 10. 6/36 plus 3/36 is equal to 9/36. Divide both by 9, so 1/4. Not mutually exclusive event can occur at the same time. Na siya common. So the probability of A or B is equal to the probability of A plus probability of B minus the probability of A intersection B or A and B. So na sila common. Example, what is the probability of getting a diamond or a queen from a well-shuffled deck of cards? Pila ka buok? 52 na siya sa cards. So, pila ka diamond from 2 to 10, and then we have ace, we have We have the face card, Jack, Queen, and King. So 13 over 52, which is 1/4. Whereas, the probability of getting a queen, pila man aka queen? 4. 4 over 52 or 1/3. 1 over 13. Similarly, the probability of getting a diamond nga queen. Diamond queen, pila man ka diamond queen? We have 1. Na siya common. So, this is an illustration. We have a diamond. Na siya queen na diamond out of 4 ka queen. Okay. When you solve, probability of diamond or a queen, 1/4 plus 1 over 13 minus 1 over 52. So 16 over 52, which is 4 over 13. Summary of the additive rule. So we have probability of A or B. You are going to add probability of A plus probability of B minus their common if non-mutually exclusive. So example, either a spade or a face. So spade, palo, 13 over 52 plus a face card of 12 over 52. Si Jack, si King, ug si Queen times 4 man ang 12. Minus si Spade nga face, 3 over 52, which is 22 over 52, then 11 over 26. Another probability of A or a B, this is exclusive. A king, a queen, or an ace. So 4 over 52 plus 4 over 52 plus 4 over 52, 12 over 52, or 3 over 13. We have the complementary rules of an event. If A and A complement are complementary, then the probability of A plus the complement of A is equal to 1. So example, Jess has a bag with 7 red, 4 blue, and 8 green marbles. What is the probability that a marble chosen at random is not red? So probability of red is 6. Total there is 18. 6 over 18. Then the probability of not a red is 1 minus the probability of red. So 1 minus 1/3 is equal to 2/3. Kani si 6 over 18 is 1/3 minus is equal to 2/3. 1 minus 1/3 equals 2/3. We have the multiplication rule of probability. We have the independent events. 2 events A and B are independent when the outcome of the first does not affect the outcome of the other. So, probability of A intersection B, you are going to multiply. Hindi siya maka-affect. So, you are independent man siya, multiply. Example, a coin is tossed and then a die is rolled. So what is the probability of getting a head followed by a 4? Head card is 1/2. A 4 is 1/6. So the probability of A intersection B is equal to multiply probability of A times the probability of B. 1/2 times 1/6 is equal to 1 over 12. Another is multiplication rule, dependent. The other one is independent. Kani siya dependent. If the events A and B are dependent events such that the outcome of A affects the outcome of B, then the probability of that event A followed by event B happens is probability of A intersection B is equal to the probability of A multiplied by the probability of B given A. Probability of A times the probability of B given A. Example, Joshua draws 2 cards at random from a deck of 52 cards without replacement. So, pag kuha niya, wa niya pulihi. Wa niya gibalik. So, makuhaan na itong isa. What is the probability of getting 2 ace cards? So, the probability of A is 4. Ace kay 4 man na siya ka ace. 4 over 52 or 1 per 13. First nga ace card. Wa man niya pulihi. So, ang next nimo, the probability of B given A, 3 over 51. Kuha naman siya. Gikuha naman mo usa. Over 51 na. Is equal to 1 over 17. Thus, the probability of A intersection B, or the probability of getting 2 ace cards without replacement, is 1 over 13 times 1 over 17, which is equal to 1 over 1 divided by 221. That's 0.0045 or 0.45%. 0.0045 or 0.45%.
Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Please watch my other math tutorial.